Yes, sir. The continuity of the mathematical logic, we left with the last question in order to find the converse, inverse as well as contrapositive. In the last class, we have done few problems based on converse, inverse as well as contrapositive. So today, we will take the last problem related to the converse, inverse and contrapositive. So the question is, if oxygen is gas, here if is given, so that means it indicates that it is conditional. So oxygen is gas. Oxygen is gas, let it be P. Accountancy is easy, let it be Q. This is P and accountancy is easy Q, or the child is brave. The child is brave, so it is R. Okay, oxygen is gas, that is P. If then is given, that means you have tried the implication sign. You have tried the implication sign. Then accountancy is easy, that is Q, or symbol. Then R symbol. Then the child is brave. It is small r. So this is what symbolically can be written. So if it does have, you can write it in symbolically, or if you know, you can write directly the answer. So first one is what? First one is what? Converse. Converse, you know. Converse of P implication Q is Q implication P. Okay, that means in place of P, P is there. In place of Q, we have Q and R. In place of Q, we have Q and R. That means converse of P implication Q is Q inverse P. That means conversion of P implication Q or R is okay. So therefore converse of P implication Q and R is Q and R implication P. That means Q is what? Accountancy is easy. Accountancy is easy. Here we have an accountancy is easy or because accountancy is easy or the child is brave. Both are one statement only. They come under one statement. Or child is brave. Child is brave. We have implication symbol. Hence we have to start with if. We have to start with if. If the first statement, this together is nothing but first statement. Then what is P? P we have what? Oxygen. Oxygen is gas. So this is the converse of the given statement. Yes, please copy down this one. Next, we are supposed to find inverse. Next, inverse. Inverse. Inverse of P conditional Q is negation of P conditional negation of Q. Negation of P conditional negation of Q. So therefore P conditional QRR is nodri P jagadali P ide, Q jagadali Q and R ide, is negation of P conditional negation of Q andre eno QRR. Now very clearly this is negation of Q and QRR. So very clearly this part is negation of QRR. So when we come across, this is nothing but De Morgan's law. This is nothing but De Morgan's law as we have done. So negation of Q or R is according to De Morgan's law is negation of Q and negation of R. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಬಂತು. ಮೂರು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ negation of P implication negation of Q and negation of R. This is one statement. Now with this you have tried the statement. With this you have tried the statement. Negation of P. Negation of P. P is what? Oxygen is gas. Negation of P is what? Oxygen. Oxygen is not gas. New meaning ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Strictly speaking, oxygen is a gas. Don't look into the meaning. So negation of P. P ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Oxygen is gas. Negation of P means oxygen is not gas. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ? Implication symbol ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So that means it starts with F. F, oxygen is a gas statement. Then another statement. Negation of Q. Negation of Q is what? Q is accountancy is easy. Negation of Q is what? Accountancy is not easy. Accountancy is not easy. Accountancy is not easy and R is what? The child is brave. R is what? The child is brave. Negation of R is what? The child is brave. Negation no? Not brave. Okay. Adadmele we can remove the bracket so that we get the required answer. So this is the inverse part. Yes, please copy down this one. The next part is contrapositive. Contrapositive. So contrapositive of P implication Q is negation of Q implication negation of P. So that is P implication Q and R. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು contrapositive ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Okay. So P implication Q and R. So contrapositive is what? Contrapositive is ಏನು? negation of Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು? Q and Q or R implication negation of P. Again we have to apply the De Morgan's law for this one. So this will be negation of Q and negation of R together will become one statement, implication of negation of P. So now Q is what? Accountancy is easy. Negation of Q is what? Accountancy is not easy and child is not brave. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ implication symbol ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That means if this whole will become first statement, then P is what? Oxygen is gas. Negation of P is what? Oxygen is not a gas. Oxygen is not a gas. Oxygen is not gas. Okay. So this is the contrapositive. So this is one of the definite question either for the 2 marks or the 3 marks. It is definite question. For 2 marks they may ask any two. Converse inverse ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ converse contrapositive ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. 3 marks ಗೆ they will ask all the 3. So if you write symbolically, write symbolical and statement. If you don't directly, you can write the statement. This is very important one. Please copy down.